Wow, what a beautiful sky we were blessed with and got to enjoy this Wednesday. We got a drop in the humidity values as a cold front that went through last night and early this morning has moved off to our south, and we've seen a little bit lower humidity. As a result, not as hot, and it's nice to see a little bit of drier air. Matter of fact, the next couple of nights and mornings will be a little bit more pleasant and comfortable. More on that in a moment. 88 the official high in Knoxville today. That's right at average. 70 the low this morning. The average low 68. We're going 66 tonight, so a little bit cooler than we've seen recently, and even below average. 1/100th of rainfall at the airport. Yesterday had about 0.8 of an inch of rain at the airport, so it came down pretty good. It started us off on a wet note, but now we're going to see some drier conditions over the next 3 days. Seasonably warm to a little hot, but not bad. We've got bright sunshine and dry weather Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Temperatures were stair-stepping up a little bit each day. 90 degrees tomorrow, but humidity fairly low, and especially compared to average, lower humidity than average. Even into our Independence Day Friday, it will be mostly sunny and kind of hot in the lower 90s, but at least not overly humid. You want to spend more time, certainly in the shade if you be outside, not all the time in the sun, and be sure to drink water to stay cool. But otherwise, again, morning lows in the 60s next couple nights and mornings, and we're up to around 93 for Saturday. Still mainly dry and partly cloudy. So with that, your 4th of July forecast, again, mostly sunny and hot, 92, but humidity not overly high, and by the evening should be very pleasant with those clear skies. And speaking of which, that's an example of what we were blessed with this Wednesday. A gorgeous view of the mountains and downtown Knoxville. High pressure slides across for Thursday on into our Independence Day Friday and also into our Saturday. Slight chance for an isolated thunder shower along the spine of the Appalachians and the mountains. But other than that, most of us are dry through the better part of the weekend, actually. Looks like it may take until early next week till we see a decent chance for some spotty storms. So tonight, fantastic. Clear skies, a nice night. Enjoy. Lows in the mid-60s. Mostly sunny. Seasonably warm but pleasant otherwise. Highs around 90 degrees. Again, humidity a little bit lower than average the next few days. And then we're heating back up the low to mid-90s this holiday weekend. And there's that better chance for spotty storms into the first half of next week.